Namaste everyone. Today let us discuss about Newton's second law of motion. Newton's second law of motion says that the acceleration of the object is dependent upon two variables, the net force acting upon the object and the mass of the object. The acceleration of the object depends directly upon the net force acting upon the object and it is inversely dependent upon the mass of the object. To understand the second law of the motion clearly, first we have to understand about momentum. Without understanding momentum, the second law of motion is incomplete. To understand it, I have taken some examples. As we know that if the table tennis hit us and a football also hit us, the pain produced by the football is more than the pain of the table tennis ball. It is because of the mass. The mass of the football is more than the mass of the table tennis ball. But this cannot be considered in all the cases. To prove it, let's take an example. A bullet is hit to a man and a football is also hit to a man by someone. Now, the mass of the bullet is less compared to the mass of the football, but still, pain given by the bullet is more than the pain given by the football. So, we can say that if the velocity of the object is high, then its momentum also increases. So what is momentum? Momentum gives you the quantity of the motion in the body. If the velocity of the object is high, then its momentum is also increased. The rate of the change of the momentum to the applied and unbalanced force. Momentum is directly proportional to the mass as well as the velocity. Momentum is defined as, or it can be found by momentum is equal to mass into velocity. Momentum is defined as or considered as a p and mass is m and velocity is v. So p is equal to m into v. Now we can understand the second law of the Newton very clearly. I have taken some examples to understand second law of Newton very clearly about the mass is proportional to the object. I have taken two pictures. In the first picture, we can see that the man is trying to move the elephant, and in the second picture, we can see that man is trying to push two dogs in a baby cart. We can see that the force required to push the elephant is more compared to the force required to push the two dogs in a baby cart. This is because the mass of the elephant is more compared to the mass of the dogs, and the force required to push the elephant is also more compared to the force required to push the dog. The rate of change in momentum is found by the formula F is directly proportional to mv minus mu divided by t. F is directly proportional to m is common in both the sides, so we will take m outside, and v minus u divided by t. V minus u divided by t, we know that we get acceleration as a. So F is equal, or F is directly proportional to ma.